right, so for those of you guys who are really excited about the new Boombox feature and want to add custom sounds, I'm going to show you guys, because there wasn't a whole lot of instructions that came with it in the release notes, and so I'm just going to show you guys how you guys can set up your current flash drive, so that way you can store your 5 audio files on there that you want to use for your custom sounds with the Boombox feature. All right. So in the link below, what you'll have to do is you'll have to repartition your current drive. So what I did is I just split mine up into 2 separate partitions. And the tool that I use to do that is called the MiniTool Partitioning Wizard. And I'll put a link to that below if you guys want to see that. So what I'm going to do is, first off, I don't have the current drive plugged in yet. The reason I say that is because you want to make sure that you do the correct drive and don't actually repartition one of your, like your C drive or something. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the MiniTool Partitioning Wizard. And this is what I see here. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and plug in my my flash drive that I use for this is the same drive I use for Sentry Mode. And skip that. Alright, so now you can kind of see this is what popped up. And so you can kind of see I've already split this into 2. But I'm just going to kind of go through the steps anyway. So I'm going to click on, say, drive F. And this is the drive that popped up. So that's my flash drive. And I'm going to hit split. So this allows you to split this partition however you like. So what I did, since you're only going to have 5 audio files, I just went ahead and gave it a gig. I probably didn't even need to give it that, but I went ahead and gave it a gig. So you could just go down here and say under new partition size, hit 1, and it'll split that and give it give that a 1 gig separate partition. And then whenever you're done with that, which I'll go here to show that again. Once you hit 1 gig here, just hit OK when you're done, which I'm not going to hit OK because I've already done this. It'll split this into 2 partitions, but it's not going to be finished yet. You'll want to make sure that you come down here and hit this apply button. Once you've hit apply, you're good to go, and you can X out of this whole tool altogether. The next thing, program, yes, I did is I came in here to this PC, and let me go back. And right-click to hit Properties, and just named it Boombox. I'm not sure if it needs to be named a Boombox. I haven't, but I just went ahead and named it Boombox. I haven't tested that without just yet. And then I made a folder named Boombox and put my sounds in here. So, and this is what I've gotten it. This is the way I've gotten it working with OneDrive. I did see a couple people mention they had to have a separate drive in order for it to work, but this works just as well. And since you only have 5 audio files, because originally what I thought is that they just wanted in your Tesla folder to have a Boombox directory in here, which is what I tried, and that did not work. So it does have to be on a whole separate partition from what I can tell so far. But anyway, that you should be good to go when you plug it in. When you dump your audio files in here, they should be MP3s. I tried. Did try an MP4 and that didn't work, and I tried Windows Media Audio file, and that did not work as well. So far what I've gotten to work is MP3s, but I can always update that later if I see other files that it'll work with. But anyway, you guys should be good to go. Okay, so once you've got your drive all set up and everything, you'll just go over here to your toy box. And then go up to the Boombox here, and then you should be able to, which I've already got that stuff set up now, but you can actually see the sounds that you put in from put on your flash drive. Should show up right here on the bottom down in here. You can kind of swipe to those, and then now you should be all set and good to go to set those up for your Boombox. All right.